Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this Melon Mojito Mocktail. I chose that name for the alliteration. I don't think it's close to a mojito, but it has mint in it, and it's kind of light and sour, and so that's kind of the vibe. So I have a honeydew melon, and I'm going to take half of it, excuse me, and I'm going to cut that up just into chunks because I'm just going to put it in my blender. But you just want to make sure that you remove all of the seeds because they won't blend up very well. You are going to strain it, so if you do miss some seeds, it's okay. But pre-removing the seeds is best. And I'm also taking the rind off of the melon as well. And since we're just blending it, these don't have to be perfect. They just have to be small enough to fit in your blender. This melon was really, really fresh and it smelled really, really good. So that's a really good, that's a tip. Make sure that you get a melon that is really ripe. This would be a great way to use up maybe a melon that you have that's maybe going to go bad soon because you're just going to blend it up and then strain it. So if you have one that's in your fridge that you've been trying to figure out what you're going to do with it, this is a good option. Then you're going to squeeze 4 to 6 limes, depending on how kind of sour you want it to be. A little less sour, use less limes. And then you can add a 1/4 cup of sugar. That's optional. You don't have to add it. I just wanted it to be a little bit sweeter. And the sugar is going to help bring out the melon flavor. And now I'm straining it. I'm just getting out all of the pulp. I want just the liquid. You could leave the pulp in, but it's going to be a really thick drink, and I wouldn't recommend it. But if you want to leave it in, you can. Okay, so now time for preparing our glass. I dipped it in the melon juice, and then I dipped the glass in sugar. I thought a sugar rim would be nice. You could also do a salt rim. You don't have to do a rim at all. And then I'm adding some ice. I couldn't put the glass on the little lever to get ice out of the freezer, so I had to do it this way. And this way did not work very well. It was very difficult to get the ice in this little glass. And then this is kind of what makes it mojito-esque, is I'm adding a couple mint leaves, and I just rip those up so that they'll release their minty flavor. And then I poured about half of my glass full with the melon mixture, and then I topped it with some sparkling water. This is a Poppy. It's a lemon, lime, ginger flavor. But this was really, really good, and it's a really refreshing drink to have after a long day. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.